Our day begins with a happy yawn and a big stretch in our comfy bed. First, we go to the bathroom sink to splash water and wash our sleepy face clean. Next, we grab our colorful toothbrush and brush our teeth until they sparkle. Time to pick out our favorite clothes and get dressed for a brand new day. We sit nicely in front of the mirror to comb our hair, making sure every strand is just right. Then, we sit at the kitchen table to enjoy a yummy breakfast, full of delicious and colorful food. With our backpack on, we wave goodbye and cheerfully head off to school, ready for fun and learning.
This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face. Early in the morning, wash, 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 wash. Brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth. Early in the morning, brush, 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 brush. Get dressed. This is the way we get dressed. Get dressed, get dressed. This is the way we get dressed. Early in the morning, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair. Comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair. Early in the morning, comb, 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 comb. Eat our breakfast. This is the way we eat our food. Eat our food, eat our food. This is the way we eat our food. Early in the morning, yum, 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 yum. Go to school. This is the way we go to school. Go to school, go to school. This is the way we